Double M-O. Double M-O. Samo. Yeah, we'll be talking about the second verse of the dancehall song. Just like the first verse, the second verse is equally important. Reason being is that persons want to hear lyrics, persons want to hear flow, what you're gonna bring different from the first verse. Especially if you had a good first verse, person will be interested in listening to your second verse to see what they can bring different. What's a different rhyming scheme, different flows, different lyrics, different way of your phrase or word. What is it different that you're gonna bring in the second verse? And equally important as the first verse is the second verse with the starting line, starting bar. So your first line or your first bar to your fourth bar has to be good, because you don't want persons to be skipping your song, because that doesn't make sense. So you have to have good tight lyrics in the second verse, just like the first. So if you like what I'm saying, you can comment, subscribe, like, and also visit my website at www.samomusic.com.